Struggling to figure out which Capital One cashback card is right for you? It's a common dilemma, but it doesn't have to be complicated. The truth is, Capital One has a card for almost everyone, whether you're a foodie, a frugal spender, or just starting to build your credit. We're going to break down the best options and help you decide which one will put the most cash back in your pocket. First up, the Quicksilver Cash Rewards Card. This is your all-star, everyday spender's dream. It offers a flat rate of 1.5% cash back on every single purchase, every single day. No rotating categories, no activation needed, just a straightforward 1.5% back on everything from your groceries to your gas. Plus, it has no annual fee and an intro APR period that can give you a great head start. This is the card for you if you love simplicity and don't want to think about where you're spending to maximize your rewards. But what if your spending habits are a little more specific? That's where the Savor One Cash Rewards card comes in. This card is perfect for those who spend big on dining, entertainment, and groceries. It gives you 3% cash back on those categories, plus popular streaming services. So, if you're constantly dining out, hitting up concerts, or have multiple streaming subscriptions, the Savor One is going to earn you significantly more than the Quicksilver. Like the Quicksilver, the Savor One also has no annual fee, which makes that 3% back even sweeter. Now, what if you're working on your credit score? Capital One has options for you, too. The Quicksilver One Cash Rewards card is designed for people with average credit. It also offers 1.5% cash back on every purchase, but it does come with a $39 annual fee. So while you can still earn rewards, you'll need to spend enough to offset that fee. It's a great tool to build your credit responsibly while earning cash back. The choice really comes down to your lifestyle. Are you a set-it-and-forget-it person who wants a solid return on all purchases? The Quicksilver is your go-to. Do you live for nights out, new restaurants, and streaming new shows? Then the Savor One is likely your best bet. And if you're on a credit-building journey, the Quicksilver One can be a valuable stepping stone. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.